Guys, Crypto here. I just wanted to give a little update about what's happening here. Obviously, it's great that we're seeing these green candles and running again, but I just want to sort of put everything in perspective again, and let's look at the 6-hour chart. I just wanted to point out Ethereum and BTC at the moment, because those are the main things. When they run, everything else runs. But if we have a look, right, the reality is still this. High, low, high, low, high, low. So our highs are still falling and our lows are getting lower, right? So this, whether we can hold an Elliott wave here and get back above this high. So Ethereum would be 550. We need to get back above there to get out of that pattern. So, you know, we've got to keep everything in perspective, you know, and we possibly have missed a few trades here, but I'd rather be cautious, because when this does run, you know, there'll be plenty of time to get trades from 600 right up to 1500, right? So we still just have to be careful, but there's a lot of good news coming out. We're still a lot of resistance. It's great that we've just broken the 6-hour 50 EMA. And I would expect on Ethereum to come and retest 500. So we're retesting a lot of these figures now, and you can see there's a lot of green there. EOS is back up to $9. So like I was telling everybody, you know, just accumulate at those lower. Don't buy the top of these greens. Buy the bottom of these reds, and that's what I've been saying. Now, whether this is the bottom or down here is the bottom, you can't really go wrong by accumulating now. I still do think we'll get one more low, which will get us down into these areas that I'm hoping for. And if not, so be it. We keep our money and we trade the waves once we get going. But you can see these same things have happened before. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Right, so we are making these Elliott waves for now, but you can see we did the same things back here. Look, in here we did look, an impulsive one, failed. You know, I mean, 1, 2, fail, right? 1, 2, 3, fail. So it's going to be really important to see what happens here. So I would expect Bitcoin now to come and test the 7,000. There's a lot of areas of confluence here. One is the 6-hour fib, right, which also runs in line with the daily EMA in there. So the 7,000 test, okay, so I'm going to play it still the same way. I'm obviously not going to rush it. I wasn't prepared to buy it at 6.2, so I'm not going to buy it at 7. Okay, so I'm still looking for the sub-6 buys, and we need to see whether we test this 7,000 and what happens to that resistance, whether we can hold and then finish out a fifth wave. Now, if we finish out this fifth wave up in here at 7.5, 7.6, I'll sell my position and I'll look to buy on the retrace. Now, whether that will be 100%, whether it will be in here, you know, I will then start to make my plays just to be cautious, because this is about long term. But I just wanted to put everything in a bit of perspective, and you can see as well, if we get rid of the fibs. So let's see if these third waves and fifth waves can hold out. But look, same thing with Bitcoin here, look. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, not even a 4 really, fail. 1, 2, 3, 4, it tried and it failed. Okay, so the reality, again, just to keep it all real, look, high, low, high, low down here, I guess, high, low. Low. Okay. Okay, so now we've made another high. Well, we're looking to make another high here somewhere. I wouldn't call this a high and this a low yet. We need to see where this 6.5 to 7,000. You know, we need to get back above here to really get a new high. So this is a very, very important area, guys, right in there. This 6,800 to 7,000 test. If we can set a new high and then start getting the lows higher and then higher, all right, so we've just got to just watch. But like I've been saying, we're getting close. I think we may get another panic run out. If these institutions do want to start getting in, they're going to want lower prices. Okay, so, but I wouldn't leave it too much longer. And I think accumulating under 6, even if it goes down to 4, 3, you can't go wrong. And then we'll just start trading the waves on the way back up. But it's coming, guys. It's coming. All right, see you soon.